Hello and welcome to the How to Video Guides by Manisha. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll talk about how to edit videos and prepare videos using Adobe Premiere. So when you open the Premiere software, this is how the page looks like. And then you have to go to File, create a new project. It will take you to the location where the project are going to be saved. You can name the project to whatever you would like to. And then can click OK. Once that is done, this is how the page looks like, the interface of the Premiere. Make sure that you have your timelines on. So go to Window and see that the timeline is checked on. Then this is where you will have all your media. You can import the media to start with. So for instance, I am just dropping in some photographs to say, and maybe some videos. All right, so I have got some media for me to start with. Now this is a video. If I want to put this video here, I'll do a double click and I'll see if do I need to put all the 2-minute video or I only need to take a bit of it. So I just do the play button and
Johanna Klant has to concentrate hard. The 20-year-old is in her first semester at the Humboldt University
so
in
wherever
Berlin.
I wish
Along
to
with Johanna,
start the
there are
video,
almost
I will say
350
I,
students trying to.
and then if I want to stop the video somewhere, I will just click O, and you can see that the rest of the part of the video is cut and only the part which is there is come, and you can drag it here. So like I mentioned, you should have your timeline on, and wherein on your timeline you drop in everything. Now, so I've just dropped in the video. If I don't want the audio of this, I'll just drop in. So all I did was remove the A1. So only the video is coming and the audio is not coming if I do not wish to add the audio. And if I wish to add an audio separately, I can just take it here and drag it from there. Now, if I want to add some images, I can simply drag them. If I want the image to go for a longer time, if you get this red icon, you have to take it and drag it so that it goes for a longer time. I can add effects between two images. So for that, I need to go here and then go to effects, and I need to go to the transitions, and it could be cross dissolve, and I have to go and put it in between the two. So if I want to have a transition between the videos, I would do the same thing. Here, if I want to add some text, I can do that. And then I can move it with this selection tool. When I click the selection tool, it is in the selection. I can take it and drag it to whichever side I want to. If I want to add again, I'll have to double click and I can update the text. So that's how you add in or edit a text in the video. So this is how you will get everything onto the timeline and you can edit your videos accordingly. So thank you very much and stay tuned for my next tutorial.